I'm not going to take a picture of that. Here you go. I have higher clearance than all of you guys. So leave me alone, sir. Show me your stuff.
You're about to get hooked up for impersonating an officer.
I'm not impersonating an officer.
Okay, then don't tell me you're a federal agent, because you're not. Okay, that's fine. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
On September 20th, 2025, officers from the Nashville International Airport Police Department, Tennessee, USA, received an emergency call requesting intervention regarding a man in a wheelchair who was continuously causing a disturbance, cursing, and threatening to punch airport assistance staff after they refused to push his wheelchair for him.
Heard him or anything like that?
No, I just met him.
Okay, I got you. So we just got a complaint that you threatened somebody?
Somebody's threatening me. I don't even know, but
somebody was threatening you?
I don't know. It could be. They could have been talking to the person behind me.
Okay, I got you. You got your ID on you?
I sure do, but I'm not sure if I'm like under arrest or is there a reason why I need to show it to you?
Well, I need to identify you to see who you are.
If I'm committing a crime, sure.
Well, we just got a call that you was threatening.
Crime, sure. That's facts.
Let me see your ID, please.
I've already been ID'd. I'm in here.
Okay, well, can I see your boarding pass to see what kind of business?
Not, sir.
Well, you have to show me your boarding pass because you're in an airport. This is a private building.
My boarding pass, sir. I'll give you that.
Okay.
You're not seeing my ID.
Okay.
I'm not under arrest.
You're being detained right now.
For what crime?
For possibly threatening somebody.
Possible is not a crime. Give me a crime. State me an actual crime, sir.
Hey, man. I'm just trying to get to the bottom of it.
I know, and I'm trying to not get my rights violated, sir.
We got what rights am I violating?
You're trying to make me show ID and identify when I don't have to.
Because you're being detained.
Illegally, apparently. What's the crime am I being detained for, sir?
So we're trying to figure that out right now. If you threaten somebody, that's a crime in the state of Tennessee.
Police arrived following a call reporting that the subject had threatened to punch airport staff. As soon as he saw the officers, the subject immediately avoided providing his ID, demanded the reason he was being detained, and shot back.
Yeah, so what's going on?
So I took him off the flight, and then he was asking what's going on with my flight. I just pushed the wheelchair, so I don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
And then he storms off, goes to talk to the Delta assistant, and I'm talking to I think it's his husband or something.
Wait, so the guy in the wheelchair stormed off?
Yeah, the guy in the wheelchair stormed off, and the person next to him, which is his husband, I was just talking to him, telling him what I can do and what I can't do. And then after that, he just came here and started cussing me out, started threatening me, all that, trying to fight me, everything. I just said, sir, can you calm down? I can't do nothing about it. Yeah. And then he just tried to fight me, everything.
Did he put hands on you at all?
He didn't put hands on me.
No, just threatening you?
He was just like, if you don't get out of my face, I'm gonna start punching you. And I'm just like really trying to help you. I'm not trying to do nothing. So I just eventually just walk away.
Okay. Sounds good.
Trying to find it.
Okay, you're good, man. I'm not trying to hem you up or nothing like that. I'm just
trying to go get sushi, sir.
I got called to you, so I'm doing my job, and then once I do my job, I'll leave you alone.
Why they called you, sir? They're wasting your time.
We're getting his side story. We just want to make sure no hands got put on, or if you wanted to press charges.
No, I'm not pressing charges.
The victim had already shown leniency by not pursuing charges, and the officers were extremely polite. With the exit door wide open like that, he still maintained the attitude of I am the center of the universe.
Thank you. I'm not
Appreciate it, brother.
I think this might be it, sir.
Yep, that is. Good deal.
What do you do? Yeah, can you not help me and just relax? Yeah.
Hey, why are you so hostile right now?
That's my husband.
Okay.
It doesn't matter how I talk to my husband,
I understand that.
You gonna pay my bills?
But there ain't no need to be hostile. Have I been coarse to you? Have I said a square word to you?
Do not ask me how I talk to my husband, sir. That's my business. Thank you. Let's go ahead and talk to me. Okay, you please stay quiet. Go sit over there for a second. Thank you. For what? I didn't do anything wrong. I'm sitting down.
Hey.
I'm sitting down for saying words.
Hey.
I'm going to need you to stop talking to me.
I need you to talk to me.
Yeah, I know.
What if he was talking to you that way?
I will deal with that. I married him. Did you marry him? Correct.
But if I talk to my wife that way, she'd be done with me.
I don't give a shit. I don't care. I don't know your wife. I don't care what you're talking about. That's your business.
Well, you sit right there and you calm down.
Yeah, you see how I'm not telling you about your wife?
Hey.
Because I don't know her.
Hey.
So keep my husband
Calm down.
out your mouth, sir.
Calm down.
Keep my husband out your mouth, sir.
I didn't say your husband's name.
Correct.
So it's not been in.
You don't ask me questions about my relationship.
It's not been in my mouth.
You don't have to ask me questions about my relationship with my husband.
Well, you just sit tight right there. What's going on? Take notes is crazy. What's going on?
The loss of emotional control was clearly evident. Even while dealing with the police, he continued to vent his anger on his partner. The officer's request for the subject to sit still and remain calm was a de-escalation tactic aimed at separating the subject from disrupting the verification process.
So he said he got him off the flight. He's just kind of disorderly, threatened that he was going to punch the guy, and why is he making him late, everything else. So, I mean, it could be. I asked him the key question, which is, did you think this guy was going to cause you any kind of immediate, great injury, bodily harm, anything like that? Did you have any reason to fear for your safety? He said no. He said he didn't want to press charges. So.
Okay. Well, he hates me.
Yeah.
Where you from, man? Salt Lake?
Yes, sir.
All right. That's all I needed. So, the guy's saying that you threatened to punch him. Why? You didn't?
I did
So
not.
why would he just, a guy that's just working in
He
here?
actually told me that he's like, I'm at work. If I wasn't, it'd be different. That sounds like a threat. I let it go.
That's no threat.
So neither
Listen,
I didn't
listen to
punch
me.
anybody.
Listen to me. Okay,
He
I
walked
understand
away
that.
from me, and he decided to just leave, and he was like, I'm done.
Okay.
He said, I'm gonna let your husband push it. I said, my husband doesn't work here.
Okay.
I didn't pay all this money to have
Listen
somebody
to me.
else work here.
Listen to me.
Yes, sir.
You can't just threaten to punch people because they're going to make you right.
I didn't threaten anyone to punch
Okay.
anyone. I didn't say
Well,
that.
I got two conflicting stories
I know,
here.
I know, right?
Okay.
He said, she said.
But anyway, he's not wanting to press charges. So
Neither do I.
you sit tight. When I get a read back on you, we'll let you go.
Okay, thank you. Again, I didn't do anything illegal, so I'm not concerned. I work for the sir. I'm sworn in. I'm in the service. I work for the I can show you my badge right here. Where's my backpack?
You don't have to show me. You can sit back down.
Sir, I can also stand up too, right?
Whatever you want to do, man.
Correct. It's whatever you want to do too. I get it.
If everything's good, he's good. I didn't mean to get him riled up. Like I said, we just got a call that somebody threatened somebody, so we got to investigate.
There you go, sir.
Close it.
Here's my ID.
You good? You can talk to them.
There you go.
Hey, come
Want to
here.
see ID,
Come here.
right?
Yeah, I'll take a picture of it.
The officer debriefed the situation with his partner and returned to process the ID check so she could leave. Suddenly, the subject stood up, pulled out a card, and showed it off.
You don't need. I'm not going to take a picture of that. Here you go. I have higher clearance than all of you guys. So leave me alone, sir. Good.
I'm not interested in whether or not you work. Go sit back down.
Correct. Exactly.
Go sit back
So
down.
you wanted to take a picture
Okay,
of it.
go sit
Well,
down.
You
We're
can
gonna
also
get through
stand up, sir.
Okay. You keep being disorderly, you're going to be detained. So go sit down.
He already told me I was detained.
Okay.
Oh, so I'm not detained. So then I'll see you.
My point is, if you keep being disorderly, I will
Not being
physically
disorderly.
contain you.
I'm not being disorderly.
Okay. I don't
sir.
care
All
who.
did
I don't
was
care
show
if you work for or not.
Ask me for identification. I'm giving it.
Have a seat. Let us finish what we're doing.
I'm not
Stop.
sitting down, sir.
You have a right to be silent. I suggest you take it up. Okay.
If you're going to arrest me, read my rights, sir.
I don't have to read you your rights if I arrest you. I only have to read you your rights.
You're violating my rights right now, and I'm a federal agent. You're
No.
violating my
Okay.
rights.
You're actually not a federal agent.
Yes,
No.
I am,
You
sir.
you work for the. Show me your commission book. Show me your commission book.
Show me your stuff.
You're about to get hooked up for impersonating an officer.
I'm not impersonating an officer.
Okay, then don't tell me you're a federal agent because you're not. Sit down and be quiet. You're going to talk yourself right into handcuffs, brother. Sit down and be quiet. Quiet.
I can talk. It's my legal right, sir.
Okay, you've already been disorderly. Okay, you've already told somebody you were going to hit them. You got 5 cops here.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I don't know where you're getting that information
From the witness.
Okay, they're lying to you.
Okay. Do me a favor. Let us run you. We'll get you to your
Sure,
flight,
go ahead, sir.
but you don't have to impersonate a federal
I'm
agent.
not impersonating the federal
Okay.
officer. I told
All right,
you
that's
I
fine.
work for the federal government.
Okay, you said you were a federal agent. Everything that you say is being recorded audio and video. Okay, you're not a federal
I
agent.
didn't say I was a federal agent, sir.
Sit back down. You're good.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're done
Let's
here.
de-escalate the whole thing.
Okay.
Thank you very much, officer.
All right.
Appreciate it.
I'd be really careful of telling people you're
Tell me anything,
Hey,
sir. Bye.
presenting your
Bye.
federal ID.
Bye. You're dismissed, sir. Bye.
Yeah. Oh, you're fine. I would be clear with him that if he goes around impersonating a federal agent, he's likely to get himself in trouble.
Impersonating a federal agent is an extremely serious crime. The officer established absolute command presence and forced the subject to back down. However, the police still showed maximum patience by issuing a reminder and a warning before letting him go. Just 30 minutes after being released, he went back into the bar and continued causing trouble. The airline canceled his ticket, and the police ordered him to leave. The final exit was open, Would he actually leave?
You waved me over, so I
didn't wave you over. I was just shaking my
you
hand.
just waved? I thought you...
There's some kind of shake.
Gotcha.
You might have took it a little different, right?
Yeah, I thought you were just waving me over.
I didn't, so we're good.
I just want to make sure.
All right, I'm on the phone, though, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
I'm going to basically tell, I mean, I don't know if Delta's going to want to let this guy on a flight, because if he's behaving this way, they're going to get in the air and they're going to be stuck with the guy, so.
Just listen. Just go backwards.
I got you.
No, you don't have me. I don't need you.
They want you out of here.
Yeah, I know, but I don't need you to assist me, sir.
Do you want me to pull this wheelchair out then?
You can do whatever you want. I didn't ask you to do anything, to be honest with you.
Well, he walked away, so I was trying to help.
Over there, sir.
Well, come on.
I don't need to go anywhere.
You do.
We're all good?
We'll see.
Now?
He's about ready to not get on this plane, so we'll see how he takes that.
All right.
Yes, sir. Can I help you?
No.
Okay.
Waiting for the flight like everyone else.
You're no longer a ticketed passenger. You need to leave the airport right now, or you're going to be placed under arrest.
Okay.
Okay, so start walking that way. Now, not when you feel like it. Start walking that way now, or you're going to be placed under arrest.
Sure.
Just listen, bro. Golly. God, you've had like 3 opportunities.
You're not trying to help me. Shut up. Is this helping us? When are you going to realize this isn't helping us? Why isn't the white boy with blue eyes in trouble? Because I'm not mouthing off. Right, I know. But there's nothing illegal about mouthing off.
It's called disorderly conduct, and you're pressing the line. So just do me a favor. Let's keep walking and not using foul language and commenting on people's genitals and everything else.
Yeah, I know.
So,
I think I'm itching a little bit.
Well, that's cool.
Are you itching?
Keep walking. Then you see the exits on? Yeah, keep walking that way. There you go.
turn around and walk that way.
At this point, the final card was played. Blaming race. But the body cam footage clearly shows. He was kicked out not because of his skin color, but because of his non-stop disruptive mouth.
Okay, that's fine. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
What did I do? I turned around? Will you not get the phone and record? Can you not call her immediately and record? What are you doing?
Okay, right now you're being placed under arrest for disorderly conduct and public intoxication.
For what?
Public intoxication and disorderly conduct.
Tell him to call, tell him to go Davidson County. Now, if I don't make it there, you know these guys are racist.
You're not going to push away from me. You understand that? Okay?
I do.
Okay. I do.
Hey, calm down.
You calm down. I'm not messing around with you anymore.
I'm not either.
Okay.
Have I been messing around since day one?
Don't pull away from me.
Have I been messing
Do
around?
not pull away from me.
I told you don't test me. I told you that. Did I not? Don't talk to me. Don't talk the way you're talking then. Go.
Come on, Jared. Makes it a lot harder, all right? You're making this a lot harder.
Whatever. You're making it harder.
The sound of the handcuffs clicked shut, closing the curtain on the crazy Federal Agent Act. From nearly getting to go eat sushi, he brought upon himself 3 criminal charges and an overnight stay in the holding cell. Truly, delusions of power always come at the price of harsh reality.
What?
Okay.
Have a seat.
I'm trying. I can't hold. I would normally get up.
Hey, your butt goes in first.
Okay. Well then, I'm trying to.
Okay.
Sit up, all right?
Say, it's me and you versus the problem.
Okay, you're about to catch another resisting charge. You want to be charged with resisting arrest on top of everything else?
You can take your little and shove it in your
I'm gonna
mouth.
put the seatbelt.
Shut the up.
Okay. I didn't have anything to do with you drinking too much. You're acting a fool.
Look at how I look.
Now you're going to be charged with resisting arrest.
Beat my ass. Look at after this. Stop saying shit. Stop saying nothing. 5th Amendment. 5th. Plead the 5th. You get a lawyer. I'm going to get my lawyer on him. I'm going to get my lawyer on him. Come here. Come here. I'm getting my lawyer on him. Come here. Come here. Come here. Now. Now! Now! Come here! Come here! Okay, come here.
The subject was formally charged with the following offenses: public intoxication, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest. The law does not distinguish between titles, status, or self-proclaimed official badges. When you violate public order, the handcuffs will not show respect or fear to anyone.